Tracfone text reception issues, especially on iPhones and Androids, often come from three main causes: SMSC problems, MMS misconfigurations, or overzealous filters. The most common issue is an incorrect SMSC number, which routes your texts. For Verizon-based Tracphones, the default is +190955100001. If SMSC is correct but you're missing picture or video texts, check your MMS settings. Finally, filters meant to block spam can sometimes block legitimate messages. Check your message settings to adjust them. First, restart your phone and check for carrier updates to ensure basic connectivity. For SMSC on iPhones, the easiest method is to reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. After that, check your number under Settings, Phone, My Number. On Android, open your messaging app like Google Messages, go to Advanced Settings, and look for SMSC. If you can't edit it directly, use a trusted third-party app from the Play Store with good reviews. For MMS issues on Androids, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Verify your APN settings match Tracphones, APN, TF Data, MMSC, h.vtex.com. On iPhones, MMS options are under Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Network. Finally, disable filters temporarily in your messaging app settings. Settings, Messages, Filter Unknown Senders. Disable it, test your texts, then re-enable to avoid spam. If all else fails, contact Tracfone support by dialing *611.